Hey guys, welcome back. We're back. We're doing our hair. I took my braids out. I was letting my hair kind of breathe. I really need a braid down because I've noticed since my last quick weave and then I had braids that my hair is actually growing. So now I feel like, do I need to pop right away? Maybe I could just keep getting my hair braided down and then I'll cut it, you know, after I'm satisfied. So I really need a braid down right now, but I don't have one, so I gotta put my hair in a ponytail to put this wig on. Luckily, today's wig is easy because it's curly, so if my hair is a little bulky underneath, that's fine because you're not gonna see. So, this is our wig. She is a really pretty wear and go water wave wig from Dorsanee Hair. So she looks like this, so pretty. This is like a water wave texture. It is pre-cut. It comes pre-cut and is it pre-plucked? It looks like it's kind of pre-plucked, but the knots aren't bleached, and I hate bleaching knots, so I'm gonna see if I can cover these knots up with some makeup. But other than that, love the construction of the wig. It does have a adjustable strap, so that's what we will be securing this wig on our head with. Alright, and then I'm just gonna flip my hair up. Like so. She's cute. She's 26 inches stretched, but we're not stretching her. So this is the hair. I could work with it. So the hair is really nice. The lace definitely needs some makeup, but she's cute. So look, this lit all the way back. Alright, so I have powder foundation, and then I also have this Red by Kiss lace tinting spray, but I think this is a little too orange. I think I needed to go not medium dark brown, but just like light dark brown. This is what it looks like. I think it's not the right shade, but I'm gonna try it right quick. I'm gonna try it right quick. Whoa, 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 too much. Yeah, it's too dark. But I think I can rinse it off if it's like too much. Yeah, it's like, I don't know. Put some makeup on top of that. Okay, so we're gonna try this again. We're going to put our elastic band on first. Okay, that blended the lace in so much better. Okay, wow, yes, okay. We might have did something there. The combo. This the combo. I'm not mad at that at all. I just want my parting area to lay a little flatter. And I don't have no spray bottle. Don't ask me why I don't, but I should really get one because I deal with a lot of curly hair. Like, curly hair is my thing. Okay, that's better. I'm just dipping my hands in the water. Oh my gosh, love these. Alright, I just dip my hand in the water and then I'm gonna like blow dry it. Okay, so this looks so good. This is a 6x4. I could deal with this because y'all know I have like no space to work with on the side. So I'm just gonna like pull some hair out. I really like to work with my own edges. I mean, my edges aren't straight. So I'm just gonna like pull out some of the wig's hair and use that as like side hair because I feel like I'll be needing it. So I'm just gonna like pull this out, clip this back, and cut that like that. And then I'm just gonna like tack that down like this. That's it. And then the hair will cover the lace part. So we're gonna do the same to this side. Oh, let's figure out where the hair is first. Here. It's not as much hair out. All right. Let's pull it. Oh, that's my hair. Can't pull that. Okay, so there's the lace right there. But we can melt that. Oh my God. Wow, that's amazing. Let's blow dry it. Okay. So you can see where I didn't spray it right there as opposed to where I did spray it right there. It literally blends right into my skin. That's crazy. So, oh my God, this looks so good. Everything, the density eats. This short would eat. I hate cutting like long hair, but this cut like shoulder length would be so cute. So here is the wig. This is probably like one of the easiest. The pre-cut, all that, 6x5. wigs with the closure instead of like fillets are my thing. Okay? I only want closure wigs from here on out because that was just too easy. And it fits so good. Like, it sits right behind my ear, so if I wanted to do like a tuck, I can do it comfortably without having to worry about anything. But I ain't fixed my sideburns, so we're gonna leave it like this. And the wig fits nice and secure. It is, I think I have a cap size small in this unit. But I'll list all the details in the description box for you guys if you're interested in this wig from Dorsanee Hair. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick install video so you can see how easy it really is to like put these on and go, like no glue, no nothing. I just used a little bit of hairspray, but you don't have to, especially if you have more room to work with than I do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.